All right, Matthew.
In this bulletin, Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools, known as CHAS, warns senior high school across the country face a possible shutdown by close of Monday if urgent funding and food supply issues are not resolved.
Already the schools are in crisis. We cannot credit any item, any perishable to feed the students. And if this issue is not resolved by Monday, I'm afraid we may have to ask for permission to let the students go.
Also, this bulletin. Well, video will be at least you've heard it very well. The as Ghana school paying for a Kenyan and said the situation now, you know. So Ghana buying a man and 9 a money 2 and 10 tema a free education, no, they must to cancel it because there are no ways to feed the students. Assembly yapa. Because of semi-yetifa free education on when the NDC was in opposition. What they said to us, Antonka, Otebenka, can you hear me? Me too, I can't hear you. Go and come. No. Go and come. Recycle. Yeah. Some way better about say the free education feeding program has become troublesome. Say there are no ways. Sabio, but what you say?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Just so you tell me, but I have to say free education. It has become something very strange to us because the way the NDC, even John Mahama himself, stood on podium and told Ghanaians to say. Nanado is a wicked man, or then come and school for. So, you know, Ghanaian parents are said, "Omun to me, or man, Nanado, and I hear Mumma." I forget the beginning of this opportunity, and they embrace the lies. John Darega, Onimuyo Yepa, said they are going to vote for him to come and make the free education policy better. Because you see. Me a medu kuntu no amena medu kuntu no wo se wasoro na me a medu kuntu no menka ne se asehire ne se obi ono na oye kofa baaye of a policy wo se he doesn't know how to manage it eye wumbom na wo ye against wo sponsor advert wo ye campaign edit a free SHS mujina parliament criticize say Ghana should not embark on any policy of free education. You are coming to do it better. To me, it was very funny and it was really senseless. But I don't know what happened. Ghanaians at the second time since as 2008, they fall flat into John Mahama's propaganda, lying, psychologist communication. So, bra, what do you say about this shortage of food in the free education?
All right. Yeah, need common. So trust at the Ababontain, that is the heads of secondary education level, headmasters or more, secondary schools more or money COPTI. That is the Conference of Principals of Technical Institutions and technical institutions no more swa or more no and then yasa in Kitamudi or more chair and say a share or my Ghana musisi free education no the chair say in mebunu and I say in kwada drew on secondary level education to know or mobeti nya akwenya akosuku mu akusua de abra wontwia school fees bia kai said the wokai na abanda dane bro mo opposition no eto ho ayampia egina simpie so ka say nya de betimi asi wo Ghana muda nya de betimi. I recall the former president mocking the policy and then calling it a kasa any de debi keke nyamencha de yeba be mu 2017. For the first time in the history of Ghana, your flagship programmer, your board the run was enrolled. Na Ndc said that soon be because they never thought that the MPP could enroll free SHS within the shortest possible time. Eba fatnas the history they see. Yeah, one reps is here, and then the most dangerous thing are ever to free SHS for the first time since implementation. We need to highlight that a Bredian rear say ye be to sukumu na free education who aba or how if we say sukuu for any
Yeah.
and I say aduane ntimi nko sukuu for nim. Let me give a history to this and what is happening. There are some antecedents to the AC. Unim say ebra omuba abemu foforo no omu ye bibi omu position no free SHS ahyia or how be mesre a sukuu for penny for any headmasters ne omo hwe. But the kwai bi so no the free SHS faced internal sabotage from the educators. Adentia. If we say enkane no, na ye di sika bre headmasters ne ni mpanifo no, emo mo koto aduane. Nipa no koto aduane, ay so ba utifi a yaba wakoma. Ubetimi aye aduane na mana so wurani, ba utimi te kakra to ho, utimi yes skirmishes bi kakra ewo
Yeah.
ho. Dan se be ma ne beto nnuane de abre wo fie kresi, ya mamefo ne mpesa akra. Fasika no ma me na me ame koto
Na
wo
me
de ne
am
se
kotwem. Yeah.
obeba sa wo de ne se obeba na aduane si ko bedidi na enya afre na wo kotonyo ma ne de abrem ofie se beje benu a omo mpesa sa na ekoso in simple terms is there your communication or say ba form na obi ate ase ayesa akonhomabo aye de bo school for no say bi omo benya aduane ama ya de ma school
That's
no
good.
say bi omo nya aduane
Yeah.
ama the student no adesuafo na nya bi adi enti aban ni mu ne say ye time no anka yemfa buffer stock na yencheche me metina ha metwantro there was a problem with it because a brand was say nuane ne ba no na enko wa no eno de
Okay.
nyina ye tutum is a
Yeah.
problem that we can come around and solve. Omo opposition omo ba ni mu say bi MPP for na abon ye de ye ni mama mu mu hwe ye de ye ba ye besesa no enti omo ba afoforo no omo de sika ma headmasters ne ma omo kototo nuane se mo
Okay.
be kaya na me wo Ghana me tena Ghana about 10 months for 2024 election because ye akoma mu ye adwuma ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia said bi obetimi abaye o man pani ye to abaye nyina me tena Ghana for about 3 months ansa na meba na me taifa every to Accra kwan so enti at the time there were military vans se mo be kai pa e ya soldier for vans ni ade na chiche yinua no mo ba foforo mo be je katashipa gidi chiche yinua e ma headmasters ni sika so mo fan ko to inuane ne
That's
nyoma ni
yes.
bi so they gave them I think said them almost 3 months or say a few months and they try e no kire ye say ensem a ye ka wo opposition no wo ba memomu na wo bu a entisa because they knew they cannot pay the headmasters of about 1.2 million Ghanaian students, a year bosumi bi anasa bosumi miensa no. Then they went back to the old track and here ya no more complaining. A honey problem number. And I said, almost the system be the started with a year the headmasters no. I don't know say said the MPP for you no na ye kwan so
So,
ano.
yeah.
And yen san come back. A honey di ko chrome number no. Because said you ultimi mami ano no dear. Now Sam me
Everything free man.
I say oh as omudi be BT system na headmasters say no who timi first every money in here. So ain't here and the conflicting issues no. So they started a track they cannot sustain. NDC has a problem. Most of their resolutions are short term. Omo enhu kan. Emfa nyoma nto ho no na ebetimi aboa mana kwa animu. Omo
The
nyoma
long
mudi
term
benya ye
plans.
nyoma a temporary, a short term. And in every organization, and I say on mining in ano, we need to think about sustainable ways of doing things. That is why the buffer stock system where they say be a beboa, ama yetimenya ye maybe abubi. And that was what was happening. Ewo honum no. Again, with the school asema ye kind, dear bunye, a mebuni vetrawasi, ras, a idea may expect to say all the civil societies and organizations, ebeka wasem.
Pacho, Seopa, but your car was here
All right.
when what friend is saying, Harina Drusu came out and told Ghanaians, they said they are going back to the track of the MPP. The video when I was a semi million account is reality, a invented story. The video.
Caution. It's been brought to the attention of the president and brought to my attention that some of your headmasters in the NDC manifesto will claim that we allow headmasters, business, and the institutions to do food supply. We are not satisfied with the quality of the food that is being supplied. And we are not satisfied even with the timely distribution of the food. I will not hesitate to reverse that policy decision even though I manifest the pledge in order to guarantee that the right quality and quantities of the food products are supplied. I expect that internal audits in the schools together with national will strengthen the policing of the food. And once in a while, maybe Director General, you and Professor Aboke, you can even have unannounced visit to the schools at the time that they are having their meals in order that you can appreciate the quality of food that is being served. So a caution to our headmasters to improve the food that is being supplied is quality. And finally, maybe before we end, the president sent me a WhatsApp of some food that he was very, very unhappy with. I will share it with you, Professor Aboke, in order to guide you.
Yes, Miriam, same way the education minister then, the actual what they call Minister of Education, Haruna Idrusu said, in accordance to what you were saying. I just wanted listeners to so the correct out of say
Yes,
reality.
right. Thank you so much. Yeah, the muka. Obia woni MPP analogy bia muka. And then ebi mo person mo de nyoma bi bata en bad. Nyina baby entum futuro engu Ghana for any. I always say that in our political landscape, no. NDC as a political party, no only political ideology. The MPP is the only political party that started from UGCC.
Yeah.
I know we started with a political ideology. We had a direction. It is governance. We know what we are talking about. Then NDC got his identity roughly in 2005. Maybe NDC in that was where they said they were social Democrats, they were social left, they were socialist. But I mean, the socialists are and a pro-poor policies in a war maimu, a bua, Emma, a socialist government, a done a home song, and where they know they have not done that. And the worst case scenario is they were against the pro-poor policies are identify who a socialist government is. And the NPP need there, yakoye abasamienu, yekraha, na yekraha, because we are carrying the country on the shoulders of a socialist and then on a capitalist, which is of the center right. The democracy ni Andrew Satebian, but ye bona baba, say be ya Ghana benya da chibi, we ni ade diance from the NDC in terms of political ideology and direction as a political party. So you should be on record. Say ye ntena baby embo ye siremu and cancel bibia ye bekabiano eya asema eye pepepepeyo na afei so ehye osono amanyukuo no ene ye wura JB dankwa buzia ana ye wura dombo mo animonyam ewo baby omo bia because eya duaba omo duaye ama ebeso aba 1992 MPP.
Yeah. Oh, clear. Very clear. Very clear. Yeah, you too. Yeah.
All right. And with the free SHS no, now me drew baby and now me say very dangerous, which is in betro exams.
Yeah.
Technical department for na start was
Okay.
and share na yen the normal tracks no and so be started. I currently the year from come and a quarter exams and aras. They are cost name where in penny for the genome and me. Many Mr. Parliament even snack a crown quite one day. I don't think the Jubilee House, a combesi honum, chef a beyer all the time. I don't think, sir, Mr. Mekau, penny bifie, or bequak aba juma onya baby ni. Na ye expect to say ye no min kumano, or mundi dear, or man penny jina simpie so catches or bemo go to meet. You see, this is the diabolism in our politics. The social left, I'm hard on them because you see, they always play the victim card. Why because in opposition, they said a lot, and in government, they are doing less. And you see, in subject matters, almost major the minors, no. Na emu kumano or ma major no. So they are measuring the minors and minoring the majors. That is how they govern Ghana. Mo shayabo. Said the yede man craning. Gary Sokins or my penny can say or my the Gary Sokins. And then the Gary Sokins need to be no. Let it be on record. And then you need Gary Sokins need ya in Mofran Bedi 18 tasks say or be close schools. And you see in peer teacher for work out. And you say areas be akemo eduane, which is a basic commodity in mebunu edi omo ho asiko see a besua ade ama Ghana no common food and one kwachiwa momo ade ya ye bonya me empire say in a few days to come omo don be share omo biem no man yankita odi se nyame ya adom no mo reaching to agreement for Ghana ye yo omo reach agreement but this should be clear to the average Ghanaian, the incompetence of the NDC government when it comes to the education sector is evidential. Where anyone saying be a career.
Now, okay, say, baby, a trim. Eura Mahama to be a simple so can say he's not ready to spend 2 billion cedis for free education.
Oh, yes.
That is what actually he's implementing.
It's not you see, it's not a priority for them. That is what I see. It's not really a priority because say they are no year money yeah. Yeah, because say area kofa do na de buy. Enti ase on timi me kan wa abonten anka Ghana for be bubefu pa na emum akoye no ho last yeah bonne last because sebio impenifo amfa akwan dwindwi man sa na yema headmasters ni be ze koto nnuane. Is that what the NDC is telling us? Enti omo pese omo chese omo andwen anko kan ye hu se ye the sikanema head. You see, bibia uye biano. You just don't do it for the political expediency.
Absolutely.
Weigh the pros and the cons. Sebi ni enye nkwasi ya for say ile ye say ye di nwane free buffer stock na beba. Because now no school mu hono. Ye ntwe sika bia wo ho biem. Enti the inflow of cash in the senior high school would have been the money to pay food.
Yeah.
It's an inflow of cash in the man. Kakana ebebano. Obetini chobo honum. That was why a drink call can said no. If there is no inflow of cash, then we should be very careful if we have to give cash to the headmasters. And you know na minister can ye. Or see a discane mamo. And so abo eduane no monto. Mukoton so cry and koye and ye pano chano. Yaya de eduane bebremo. Headmasters for new sweaty kokum. Or major. Me crank and media. It wasn't to family.
Say I show more podcast during campaign. I'm all for
no ka o si manifesto na ewo we wa da omo o da me
oh da me
o da me ya da omo o si na bi bi
Krofo we azọ bra krofo ya azọ
na mo be mu omo jai o da me waka ni pe ya che o si maka me manifesto ni and so me ana me ka me sabo a me bo me nya anye bi
Another question beyond on free education stuff and issue of this feeding issue problems. Don't you think that the issue of using the buffer stuff to provide food items to the schools? Also a way to manage economic difficulties. Because you're more contractor, say we are supplier, you supply before you go in for money.
For
so
funds,
don't you think that was also a kind of say a deep thinking idea of releasing a little bit of pressure from the government? Say only sikakura still food will be available in the school. Don't you think so?
I mean, it was part of the reasoning, but I won't say we are Adibia. I mean, unyane pepe painting at times. So tena say bien one will say wadia ye dear. Aha no kaya gane kaka. My problem with the NDC was, you see, there is no fundamental error with most of the things an MPP are buying here. Metre saying, nyoma ye na infomsubia aid ni adie no ne momu. Me bese me ketri ni na adele nyam fum so aha na mum ekwanya ne ye fa so ye nyoma ni bi no ne ye betimi adane no and ye betimi asesa ama awie mu peye se be yenye nyansabo akwa ana de otwa sakra times who send a chi acha wa wugina echi na wutimi ehu ni se o nka ye ni se ya na me dia ya se wa wugina echi na wa wuzi echi acha na oba ya wasa abeti wa be ka acha oh ba ya wa be twa o kra de nka ya kra ye
what the other kwa se keteke kwan
wa ye ne zigzag ye kwa de na nke ye twa kanko na chi a wa be ye ne zigzag. You see, so that is where the problem is. So buffer stock had a very positive intentions. Say no how be wo delays be one and when it was here not necessarily say we are taking away the concept to please the average Ghanaian.
Oh, thank you very much. This explanation is well explained, and I think say a tearful obia afabi e de ato nikoto dwem. Yemi apres boaten e na ye ne no e ka say me say man koba bia trase na yenye video we because ye ba be wi a owo ambition kase bia obeda na di. Until you will not get it. You have to wait, and later he will explain to you actually the